The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for New Castle County, Delaware, plus the following New Jersey counties: Camden and Gloucester, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia. Effective until 4:12 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern New Castle County, in northern Delaware, northwestern Camden County, in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County, in southern New Jersey, southeastern Chester County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Concordville or near Westchester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Belmar, Yeadon, Westtown, Woodbury, Pittman, Clayton, Falcroft, Swarthmore, Paulsboro, Magnolia, Westville, and Woodbury Heights. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 20. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 18 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 345-351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 W Jersey